Well, first up on the bulletin, let's tell you how amidst the mounting legal heat in the Muda case, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaia's wife, B.N. Parvati, has written a very long letter to the Muda Commissioner offering to return the 14 plots concerning which there were allegations of corruption. In fact, in an emotional letter, she has written that she wishes to surrender and return the compensatory land and hand it back to the Mysuru Urban Development Authority. In fact, she's also talked about how hard this decision was, because considering this was a gift from her brother and it was her ancestral land in lieu of which Muda had given her these compensatory plots. In fact, she threw more light on his statement, saying that the accusations in the case were politically motivated against her husband. She further claimed that her husband, Siddaramaiah, had upheld a strict code of ethics throughout his 40-year political career, remaining free from any kind of blemish. And she asserted that for her, no house, plot or wealth is more important than her husband's honor, dignity and peace of mind. She's also appealed to the political parties not to drag the women of political families into controversies for the sake of settling political scores. Now, while the Chief Minister has expressed dismay and he's claimed that his wife is a victim of politics of hatred against him, the BJP has gone out all guns blazing against the Chief Minister and his wife, calling her letter offering to surrender an admission of guilt. They also pressed for the resignation of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah again. Watch this.
ये पत्र रेजिग्नेशन का होना चाहिए था सिद्धरमैया जी का। रेजिग्नेशन लेटर लिखने के बदले रिडेम्पशन पत्र लिखा जा रहा है। इन्वेस्टिगेशन से बचने के लिए रिडेम्पशन लेटर नहीं चलेगा, क्योंकि आपने करप्शन किया है, ये बात स्थापित हो चुकी है। कुछ गलत नहीं किया तो क्यों रिटर्न किया जा रहा है? और वो भी अब जब हाईकोर्ट का आदेश आया, स्पेशल कोर्ट का आदेश आया, एफआईआर दर्ज हो गई, अक्यूज नंबर 1, अक्यूज नंबर 2 बन गए, ईडी का केस शुरू हो गया। इस्तीफा देने की बारी है, रेजिग्नेशन लेटर देना है। ये लेटर से कुछ नहीं होगा।
कर्नाटक के भ्रष्ट एक्यूज नंबर 1 करप्ट मुख्यमंत्री सिद्धरमैया जी की धर्म पत्नी ने मुडा को लेटर लिखा है कि वो प्लॉट्स वापस करना चाहती है। इससे ये साबित हो चुका है कि ये पूरे का पूरा परिवार घबरा गया है, क्योंकि करप्शन की नकेल इन पर कसने वाली है। ये एडमिशन ऑफ गिल्ट भी है कि इन्होंने 55 करोड़ का भ्रष्टाचार परिवार के अंदर किया है। कर्नाटक की भ्रष्ट सिद्धरमैया सरकार, जिसको भ्रष्ट राहुल गांधी जी का समर्थन है, वो एक्यूज्ड को प्रोटेक्ट करने का प्रयास कर रही है।